and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life because like life with kids, it's totally random and I'm just trying to keep mine organized. So I do want to start off by apologizing for my voice. If I sound a little nasally or congested or anything, I'm getting over bronchitis. So there's that. But I have been to the doctor and I did get an antibiotic as well as the cough medicine with the coating in it. So I've been able to sleep a little bit better. And I really just wanted to get this video filmed for you guys so you could see what was in my Rocksbox. So just like that, the title of the video and everything, it's what was in my Rocksbox for January. And I'll go ahead and get started showing you what I got. Okay, so just like I say in every video for Rocksbox, they are delivered to your house. They come in this cute little box. There's 3 pieces that you get every month, or you can get them twice a month or more than that, depending on how often you send it back, but at least once a month probably. But it just comes in a bag and then like a shipping bag, and then you get a box in there and there's 3 items. Mine are typically 2 earrings and a necklace, but that's just because of my preferences. I don't like bracelets and I don't really like rings all that much, so mine are typically 2 earrings and a necklace, which is totally fine with me because that's how I have my preferences set. But it is $21 a month, regardless of how many times you send it back and forth to the company. You do get to have a wish list. So on the website, you can browse all the different types of jewelry they have, and you can add items to your wish list so that your stylist kind of has an idea of things that you like. As well as your wish list, you have your preferences. So you can specify which types of jewelry items you like the best and which ones you don't like, as well as the metals or like the gems or the stones in the jewelry. So do you like neutral colors? Do you like bright colors? Do you like gold? Do you like silver? Things like that. You can set all of those preferences in your account profile so that your stylist has a better idea of items that you would actually like. You can also purchase the items that you get. So say you get a box or a Rocksbox and there's 3 items in there and you want to purchase a pair of the earrings. Your $21 monthly fee acts like as a credit towards that item, and then you would just pay the difference. And when you send your box back, you just keep that item and don't send it back, and you send back the items you don't want, and then your card would be charged the difference between the cost of that item and then your $21 monthly credit. So if that makes sense, I hope it does. If not, definitely leave a comment below and ask questions. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. I've been doing Rocksbox for quite a while now, and I really enjoy getting the pieces in the mail and trying them on, and then as well as doing these videos for you so you can see the different types of jewelry items that they offer. So I do want to show you that each time you get just like a little card in here, and it shows you the items that you got and the amount that they are. So like the price of them. So I don't know if the camera's really picking that up great or not. But those are the 3 items I got, as well as their prices and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first set of earrings is from the brand Slate. And they're just these studs. They're gold with like a white marble on there. These retail for $45, but as a member I could get them for $38, and then as well as use my $21 credit towards that $38 and then just pay the difference. So I'll go ahead and put these on and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what these ones look like from far away. Since they're studs, they're probably hard to see, so I'm just gonna come up close. But that's what these ones look like. They're like half gold, half like cement marble. I really like these ones because they're very simple, and I feel like they would match a lot of different outfits. And I feel like I say that about a lot of the jewelry that I get, but that's because I like simple and I like neutral. I do occasionally like pops of color and things like that, but I do lean more towards the neutrals and like gold and silver. I don't do a ton of rose gold, but that's just my personal preference. I know a lot of people like that, and they do have a lot of rose gold in their collection. But so these would definitely fit my style. I like the studs, especially being a mom of 3. I love dangly earrings. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes it's nice to just have studs so your hair doesn't get tangled in them, kids aren't pulling at them, things like that. So they're just more convenient in that aspect. So I really do like these ones, and I'll go ahead and show you the next item up. Okay, so next up is another pair of earrings, and these are from the brand Ava Rose. So these are definitely my style. I like the dangly earrings. And again, they're neutral. These ones retail for $50. The member price is $42. And then again, you can use your $21 credit towards that. So I'll go ahead and put these on and show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what these ones look like from far away. You can kind of see them. Not sure how well the camera's picking them up from far away. But I really like these. They're a lot, they're not as heavy as I thought they would be. They're more lightweight, which is really nice as well. It definitely saves your earlobes, which is nice. But so up close, this is what they look like. I'm gonna have to stop swinging there. So that's what they look like up close. So again, just like the last pair of earrings, they are very neutral. They would match a lot of different outfits. So perfect for me. Probably perfect for almost anybody. These ones you could definitely dress up or dress down. You could wear them with a casual outfit or definitely a dressier outfit. So again, these ones would be really perfect for me. I really like these ones. Okay, so next up is a necklace that I think is absolutely gorgeous. It's from the brand Aster. So it's a long one, as you can tell. It's gold, and then it's got like that seashell turquoise stone, or whatever you want to call it, inside it. Very pretty. This one retails for $75, and there's a promo price right now for $58. And then again, you'd use your $21 monthly credit towards that. So that's really awesome. This necklace is definitely my style because it's long. I like longer necklaces. I'm not a huge fan of short necklaces, but I like this one a lot. So I'll have to stand up to show you. But this one is very pretty. I don't know if you can really see in the camera. I'm trying to get close enough to where you can see it up close. But yeah, I definitely like this one. The colors are definitely my, in my color palette, I guess you would say, for the clothes that I typically wear. Typically I wear like blacks and grays, and obviously I like teal, so that kind of matches as well. Purples I don't think would necessarily match it. There's a little bit of purple in there, but it's mostly like blues and greens, and then gold as well. And I think this one also comes in silver, which would be what I would probably pick personally, but I do like gold as well. Okay, so that was everything that I got in my Rocksbox for this time, and I love all of them. I can't complain about any of the items I got. They're definitely my style, the colors I like, the metals that I like, the stones that I like, everything. So I really like those. I'm not sure if I'll end up purchasing any. I'll wear them a few times and see if I decide to purchase any of them. But like I've been saying, you can use your $21 monthly credit towards those items that you do decide to purchase, which I think is really cool. And you can send it back more than once a month. You can send it back 3 times if you want, and you're still only going to get charged that $21 every month. So that's really cool. I'll leave my sister's link and everything down below. She is an affiliate with Rocksbox. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. I'll leave her link for Rocksbox as well as her Instagram, because she does post a lot of different pictures with her Rocksbox pieces and everything. And she also does a lot of other beauty related posts as well. So if you're interested in that, definitely go check her out. Excuse me. Sorry. Again, getting over bronchitis. But I did want to say thank you for stopping by and watching. If you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're new, consider subscribing before you head out. And definitely leave any comments below, questions you have, or just comments in general, as well as any video suggestions. With the new year, I definitely want to you know, kind of get a plan out for types of videos I want to do. So if there's anything you'd like to see, definitely comment below and I'll add it to my list, and hopefully I can make that happen for you. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!